Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to remove this virus on Windows 8. Now to remove it on Windows 8 it's a little more tricky. Usually if you have Windows 7 you hit the F8 key to go to safe mode so you can get into system restore, but Windows 8 doesn't have that. Now some Windows 8 computers might go into safe mode by holding down the shift key and tapping the F8 key, but it does not work with my computer. It only works with some computers. It's pretty much a miracle if that works for you. So the other way to do it is using your Windows 8 installation disk. Now if you don't have it, it's okay. I will post on the description of the video below where you can get the ISO file from a torrent and burn it to a CD like I did here. This is Windows 8 Enterprise, which one you have, you can find it, burn it to a disk, and you'll have it ready to install. Alright, so here's the installation disk. Let's turn the computer on and let me show you how to do this. Alright, this disk went in automatically. Now it should start booting up from your disk. If it doesn't, go ahead and change your BIOS to do it. Mine's just asking it. It's gonna ask to press any key to boot from disk. Here in a bit it's gonna ask that. There it is. Press any key to boot from CD. I did. Alright, now it's starting up. Okay, so it's going to start up here in just a bit. Now using the installation disk, we are not going to reinstall Windows 8. We're just going to use the disk so we can get into the advanced system options and do the system restore from there. Because the easiest way to get rid of this virus is to do a system restore. And by doing that, none of your files will get affected. It will just put your computer back to the configuration how it was before the virus. Alright, so here it's going to bring up the Windows setup. Just go ahead and click on next. Alright, now here it's going to ask you if you want to install now, but if you notice on the bottom left hand corner it says repair your computer. Click on that. Now we get the advanced system options that we were trying to get to. Alright, so go ahead and click on troubleshoot, go to advanced options, and then click on system restore. Choose Windows 8, that's your operating system, and it's going to start to bring it up. Alright, so we're in system restore now. Now go ahead and click on next and go ahead and choose the restore point from when, actually before you had the virus. Now if you don't see a restore point here at all, it means your restore point might have been turned off. It might tell you there it's turned off. If that's the case, then you will not be able to fix it this way, and you'll probably have to take out your hard drive and scan it with another computer. That's the only way, apart from doing a fresh install of Windows 8 all over again. But if you do see a system restore point before the virus, like the date before the virus, choose that restore point and go ahead and click on next. Okay, it's going to tell you that it's ready. Go ahead and click on finish. It's going to tell you one more warning here that once it starts it cannot be interrupted. So once you start the system restore, don't turn off the computer. Make sure you don't lose power. It's very important that you don't interrupt this. Go ahead and click on yes, and it's going to start it. Okay, once it's completed successfully, it's going to bring up this little message here. Go ahead and click on restart and the computer will restart and will go back to normal. Once it restarts, the virus should be gone and everything should be back to normal.